Who is the most beneficent and merciful. Students, today we are going to discuss the article uniform speed and uniform velocity, and this article is important as far as O-level physics is concerned. So first of all, I will define the speed here. Speed, it is the distance per unit time. It is termed as speed. The distance per unit time is named as speed. And what is distance? The real path is named as a distance, or length between 2 points is named as distance. And what is velocity? The displacement per unit time, it is named as velocity. Is a vector quantity, and displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. It is termed as displacement. Uniform speed, uniform mean constant. The speed, the uniform speed, the speed which is not changing. Which is not changing. The speed which is not changing is named as uniform speed. Now come to its definition. If a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, if body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, however the intervals short maybe, it is called uniform speed. So look at again here. If a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, however the intervals short may be. I mean, if the intervals are very short, it does not matter. So it is termed as uniform speed. Look at again here. Uniform speed, uniform mean constant. The speed which is not changing. To definition, if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, however the intervals short may be. I mean, if the intervals are very short, it does not matter. Now I will explain this thing with an example here. So I mean, uniform speed is a scalar quantity. V is equal to d by t. D is the distance, t is the time, v is the speed. And distance, I have already told you that it is the real path of an object. It is termed as distance. The length between 2 points is a scalar quantity, time is scalar, so speed is scalar. And I will explain this with an example. Look at here. Let's suppose the body is moving, and we noted two things at different timing. At time 1 second, the distance it covers a distance 2 meter. Then the time 2 second, of 2 second the distance is 4 meter, and in 3 second the distance is 6 meter, and 4 second the distance is 8 second, then in 5 second the distance is 10 meter. So the body is covering equal distances in equal intervals of time. Look at here, The difference between 4 and 2 is 2. The difference between 6 and 4 is also 2. 8 and 6 2. 10 and 8 2. So equal distances in equal intervals, and the time is also in equal intervals. There is uniformity here. The time difference, 2 minus 1 it's 1 second, 3 minus 2 it is also 1 second. So the distance, equal distance, is in equal interval of time. You want to calculate the uniform speed, look at here, v is equal to d by 2. So that is the speed here, v is equal to d by 2. D is 2. 2 divided by 1 you get answer 2. 4 divided by 2 you get answer 2. 6 divided by 3 you get answer 2. 8 divided by 4 you get the same answer, 2. 10 divided by 5 it get answer 2. So it means speed is same, it is not changing. So that's why it is termed as uniform speed. It's a uniform speed. Look at again here, we have calculated the two values here, the distance and time. The body is moving, and the distance here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 meter. So the difference between any two values is 2, and on the other case, the time noted here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 second, and that's the corresponding distance. The difference is same in this particular case, that is 1 second. So equal distances in equal intervals of time. V is equal to d by t. You divide it 2 by 1, you get 2, and we get a constant value. So that's why this speed is uniform, it is not changing. And if we draw the graph between distance and time, so I have already told you that the distance, the variable which is dependent, it is taken along y-axis, and the variable and the quantity which is independent, it is taken along x-axis. So time is independent variable because you can't stop time here, and it is independent variable, but distance depends on time, so that is dependent variable. And if we draw the graph, look at here, the distance 2 and the corresponding time is 1, so that's the first point we get. And similarly, the distance is 4 and the corresponding time is 2, and on the other side we have the distance 6 and the corresponding time is 3, and then we have the distance 8 and the corresponding time is 4, and we have the distance 10 and the corresponding time is 5 seconds, so that's 5. And if we combine these points, you get a straight line, and that straight line is directly proportional. So in this case the speed is constant, d by t, slope is d by t, so d by t is constant, 2, so that's why it's a straight line graph. So that's about the uniform speed. And now come to uniform velocity. Uniform velocity, students. You look at I have already defined the velocity. What is velocity? The displacement per unit time, or rate of change of displacement. So it's a vector quantity because displacement is vector. And what is displacement? It is the shortest distance between 2 points and the vector quantity. Uniform velocity, the velocity which is not changing. which is not changing. The velocity which is not changing, I mean constant, it is named as uniform velocity. And let's come to proper definition here. If a body covers equal displacements in equal intervals of time. If a body covers equal displacements in equal intervals of time, it is termed as uniform velocity. And the last one, however, that is the condition here. However, the intervals short may be. However, the intervals short may be. I mean, if the intervals are very short, it does not matter. Look at the definition here. For body covers equal displacements in equal intervals of time, however the intervals short may be, it is named as uniform velocity. So what is difference between uniform speed and velocity? The difference is only, here I have written the word distances, and in this case displacements. If a body covers equal displacements, so that is the difference in equal intervals of time, however the intervals short may be. I mean, doesn't matter, the intervals are very short. And V is equal to, is a vector quantity, so V is equal to d by t. D is the displacement, V is the velocity. So I mean, both are vector. V is the vector, displacement is vector. So it's a vector quantity, V is vector, displacement vector, V is equal to d by t, and its unit remains the same, I mean meter per second. And we have the same unit here. In case of uniform speed, the unit is meter per second. And if we draw the graph, we use the data same. So it's a no, it's termed as displacements. Displacements, that is the time. And V, no, it's a velocity is here, d by t. And we have the same values we get in this case, and it is 2. So that's why it termed as uniform velocity. So we take a displacements here, displacements and the velocity here. And if we draw the graph, on this side we would take a displacement, and on this side we have the time is there. Then the graph is same graph, I mean it's a straight line graph like that. That is the displacement and that is the time here. The graph is a straight line graph. So that's why it's a uniform velocity, students. So that is the difference between uniform speed and uniform velocity, and you must know that very important terms. Students, next time we will discuss more things. Thank you all.